gem message. Hey y'all, what's up? Yo, this is Xavier and welcome to the channel. We're gonna be reacting to Miss Marvel episode 3 today. So quick recap of last episode. Kamala and Bruno test out the powers. They introduce a new guy, Kamran. He's getting a little hot with Kamala. Zoe, the superpower task for people that bring in Zoe. They figure out who to kind of look for and where to search. We meet Taisha. Nakia says she's gonna run for the most board. Bruno is a bit salty about Kamala and Kamran. Kamala gets some visions and stuff, and I'm thinking, oh, it's Aisha, the great grandmother, but no, apparently it's Kamran's mother, and she appeared in Night the Flesh after, because Kamran saves, Kamran and that lady, his mother, save Kamala after she saves this little boy who's jumping through their powers and save him, and she's running away, and the task force people show up, and then Kamran helps her escape. So that's where we ended that episode. The description for this says, ahead of Aamir's wedding, Kamala may face grave consequences due to a crucial decision she makes. What does that mean? I guess we'll find out. Let's get into it. Oh, we're getting some partition action. Wait, no, sorry. This is before the partition, sorry. The partition happened after this. I'll put the exact date somewhere.
Maria, Celine, I found it. I found the bangle.
Oh wait, no, it is her. What? What's going on here?
Aisha, we can't let them get their hands on this bangle. You go that way. I'll go check on the other side.
So this lady is how old?
How did you all say you knew her? Was it like, did you guys meet in school or something?
Not exactly. Aisha was from another dimension. And so are we.
Oh yeah, that makes sense, cause
We're not here by choice. We were exiled.
I'm like,
close to finding our way home, we were separated.
oh, are they like so still the same age?
We've been around for 100 years, and he picks the stupidest parts of humanity to be obsessed with.
That's so rude.
Yeah, about that, you all look very good for being around in the 40s.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you.
Okay. Not all of us. Kid's 17.
Okay, that's a relief.
Yeah, I'm sure.
We didn't even know she had any until you put on that bangle and we sensed the presence of Noor.
Noor?
Noor? That means light, right? Noor girl? No, that's not it.
No, that's not it.
It slows down our aging for one thing. But we can't access its full potential in this dimension. But maybe because you're from here, you can.
What about Kamran? Wasn't he born here too?
That bangle helped you unlock the Noor. Maybe one day something will do the same for him. Those people out there just see you as a kid playing dress up. But I know that you've inherited greatness.
Yo, that's good for her. That's positive words.
But what we're most commonly known as is Jinn.
Genies?
Also, do not forget we are trying to drop the name Nightlight.
What are you even talking
It's
about?
a bad name. It just sounds like it's for 5-year-olds.
Come on. Focus.
She's right about the nightlight though.
I'm a Jen.
And tonic? I don't really know how I can help a group of ghosts and their average looking son. Look,
You're good at math, Do you know anything about interdimensional travel off the top of your head? Specifically that of the Noor dimension.
Actually, no, that reminds me of a paper I read. I think it's by Dr. Eric Selvig.
We received a report of an unidentified enhanced individual operating out of this mosque.
Operating? Out of here? I'm afraid not, ma'am. But if you do know of anyone who can fly, please send them my way. Someone to clean out the rain gutters.
Serious because your person of interest is enhanced, or because she was spotted at a mosque, ma'am?
Please, return when you have a signed warrant. Excuse me, Miss Agent. Next time, remove your shoes.
Yeah, show some respect, please. Thank you.
Hey.
Okay.
This is about dance practice because I really do think if you try hard enough, you can get to my level.
You wish. I'm phenomenal.
Oh, you'll get there. What's wrong, Squishy?
Love that. Squishy, oh, that's cool.
I think it's fine. That was convincing.
Extremely convincing. Ooh, I'm so calm right now. Nothing wrong at all.
Whole good Muslim versus bad Muslim, let's self-surveil our people routine. It completely ruined our election result meeting. Where I, a board member, became a board member.
Oh, nice. Oh, but Kamala is way too interesting to notice.
Say you won. Maybe. Dude, bro.
That's cute. Very cute.
Oh yes. Mothers and daughters, it is the eternal struggle. You will be sure not to give your mother
Me?
Oh yeah.
Oh, no trouble. Wouldn't dream of it.
no trouble.
Oh yeah. Please.
The same things we know. That she's a brown, most likely Muslim girl. They didn't seem particularly happy about it.
Oof, the trouble this girl's causing, her mother should be ashamed of herself.
So how does she convince everyone that she's good?
Good. It's not a thing you are, Kamala. It is a thing you do.
Very true. Dropping some gems there.
Supernatural beings of pre-Islamic folklore, the jinn, have had many names across time and cultures. Some call them genies.
Ah.
For sure possible to achieve interdimensional travel, but you need the base energy of the sun, pretty much. But what I realize is that all of these theoretical problems downplay the margin of error. And if you need the energy of the sun, think about how big the margin of error must be.
Try again, this time like you have a social life.
Up and go home. Some things might go boom.
Like Earth.
Kamala.
Might. There's a chance.
Kamala.
Might. So there's a chance. Have you ever felt like you're up against the world? Like you wanted something so bad and then it actually happened, but in reality it's just not as great as you imagined it.
Yeah.
Actually, America was my mountain.
Powers have responsibility.
Whatever mountain you're facing, you don't have to do it alone. Ready? Ready.
This is so nice.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Chalo, chalo, chalo.
Such a nice bonding moment.
All the money I have in my checking account, $732.49.
Okay.
Surprised you have that much. You are brave, my son. Because you have chosen family. MashaAllah. man who chooses family is never alone.
Gem message.
Do you accept Aamir Khan as your husband?
Oh, I do.
Accept Aisha Hillman as your wife?
Yeah, I'm down.
Do you accept Aisha Hillman as your wife?
I do.
Do you accept Aisha Hillman as your wife?
I do.
Mabruk alaikum. You are now husband and wife. Takbir! Takbir! Takbir!
Ah, interesting. They ask 3 times just to make sure you know what's going on.
Of course it's dangerous. Why wouldn't it be?
Wait, you knew? And you still asked Kamala to do it anyway?
This place will never be our home. We're going to make her help us. I'm not asking anymore.
Oh!
Well, it brings fortitude to your marriage so that every time you clash, you become closer.
Is that actually true?
Who knows? Honestly, it's just good fun, isn't it?
Okay, I can get down with this.
We are Brown Jovi. Eid, Diwali, and Bar Mitzvahs, and Sweet 16s, and Quinceañeras.
What?
I thought they'd listen to reason. I didn't realize it was... You're not safe. None of you are safe.
What?
Kamala, they're coming after
They
you.
were so nice to me. I'll just go talk to them.
No.
You need to leave. You need to go.
I can't grab the money.
Come on.
Aamir, come on.
Whoa! Hey,
Congratulations. At least you look really pretty.
So do you.
Thank you.
oh, that's nice. Look at him clutching the money. Watch your back, Kamala. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Get right out of here!
Oh, I swear he gets my name wrong on purpose.
Nowhere to go.
Nakia. What was that? I'm really sorry. It was you?
Yeah, it was her.
This whole time it was you and you didn't say anything?
Come on, you have to go. They're after you.
Just wait.
No.
Just wait.
No.
Wait!
Just, Nakia will take care of you.
Wait, no.
Just go.
Where have you been? Did you pull the alarm? Who were those people you were with? They were arrested.
Can you tell us what exactly happened?
Is she gonna show them?
Please,
Just be honest.
She gonna show them the power?
You're our daughter. We want to help you. But we can't if we don't know what's going on with you.
I can't. Okay.
So it's in their best interest to help, to show them, so they can help, so they know what's going on.
Oh, you both need to come.
Okay, Nanny, please come here. Can I call you tomorrow?
Did you see it?
See what?
Do what?
Did you see the train, beta?
Yes, she did.
How did you know about that?
Because I saw it too, which is why you have to come. You have to come to Karachi.
What, Nani? Nani?
Pakistan! Alright, so that was episode 3 of Miss Marvel. Alright, so we got a whole lot going on in this episode right here. I really liked it. Let's go through quickly. Right, so at the start, there's the backstory of Aisha with Najimi. What's her name? Najmi or Najami? Naj. And there's also Adam and like 2 other people. And they are Jinn. And they're also called Jinn. And I thought there was Genie. They're Arcana, Genie, Ghosts, all sort of things. Demons. It works out the same thing. They're powerful beings from another dimension. And they're called Noor. And so Kamala and Kamran, they are descendants who inherit this power, but because they are born on Earth, they are able to access it more easily or more manifestly, because I don't know, it comes from all you say. But yeah, that would be to manifest better on this plane because they are from this plane, but they also have the power. So it's kind of like Superman. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. They're kind of like Superman, where on Earth they're able to do the same, but Superman wasn't born on Earth. But whatever, you get the point. So all that happens, and then it's the wedding. Was there anything before the wedding? Oh yeah, the Department of Control, they show up to the mosque. Nakia gets really in a tiff about that, and there's also what happens next is, so Nakia gets on the board. She won, yay! And then so there's a party. At the party they are like, the how do you call him? Sheikh, yeah, he gives some words of wisdom to Kamala. Bruno gives Kamala a mask. We didn't see used in this episode, but we're gonna see probably used by episode like 5 or 6. And then later on it's at the actual wedding, and everything's going really well and all that. But the Jinn, they want the power used now. So even though, Kamran, sorry, I don't know why I keep calling Kamran. That's the rapper, right? So Kamran, he's saying like, yo, you have time, it's chill, but no. The Jinn are like, no, we need this done now, ASAP. Yo, get right on it. We're gonna punch you, we're gonna beat you up. You better do this right now. So they do that, fight ensues, the department comes in, arrest people, and when she gets touched with the bridge, they see this train with a vision, and then at the end, the grandmother calls and be like, yo, get to Pakistan right now. I saw the train, you saw the train, we all saw the train, let's get it popping. Also, Nakia found out about what's her name again? Kamala's powers. But see, like I was telling her, you should have told her. You should have told her. That's what I was saying. You should have told her from before, because when she finds out like that, it is worse. It is worse. It is worse. It is worse. And I cut that out. Right? It's worse. So you just gotta tell her up front, and things will go much better. But you didn't tell her. She's upset. I know you're gonna leave Pakistan. Probably without her. I don't know. Maybe Nakia shows up on the trip. Who knows? Brian, Bruno, he gets injured, and he's like warning her, "Yo, you're not ready for this. We do not have a way to control you getting these people home to the dimension." And so yeah, so that's how everything played out. Oh, so maybe something did happen to Aisha, and she's like, she did figure out how to do it, but she realized maybe she was in love. She had maybe by the time she had figured out, she had Sana, which is the grandmother's name. She had Sana, and so she didn't want to do anything really dangerous. I bet that's happening. That could be a thing. I don't know. We'll see. Workshopping it. I don't know. There's something about that. But I'm thinking Aisha found out how to do something, but she didn't want to do it because of this and that. Like Aaron's father in Attack on Titan, he found the royal family and everything, but he didn't do anything yet because by the time that happened, he had Aaron, and so he didn't. Dr. Gay got so he didn't want to do anything to disrupt that. He wanted to spend all the time he had left. The whole he had 13 years. He had 13 years? Yeah, he had 13 years. Well, he didn't have to have 13 years with Aaron. By the time Aaron was born, some of those years had been used up, but he had time because. Wait, why am I talking about Attack on Titan? Yeah, but whatever. It's a whole tangent. Alright, so fighting was well done. I didn't really have a problem with the choreography. It was hitting. I don't like how Kamran does have powers though. So it's latent powers though. So he really should be hurt more. He didn't really seem hurt, and I didn't like that they escaped so easily. I don't know. I think a little bit more should have been thought into their escape. But outside that, the fight team was really done. Fight team was really done well. I liked the wedding. That was cool. Seeing all the different aspects of it and all that. And then before the wedding, when they're at the O's, where Taisha is getting pampered, hand and foot is getting fed to her, and then the prank with Aamir, and his shoes being taken away. Oh, that was cool. And all that. So yeah. Oh, and this bringing up this thing like where the persecution of the Muslims, because they're linking it to terrorism, because like that's probably why Nakia read up on that, because law enforcement would really want to come in like, yo, we heard that one of you people is a terrorist. We're coming in to check it out. So that's all. That they were alluding to that with the whole Department of Control coming in to investigate everything without the warrant. So yeah, I like that touch. But yeah, overall, good episode. I'm really liking it so far. All 3 episodes just giving me a lot. The first episode was kind of okay, but these last 2, I like them much better. They're progressing the story. We're finding things out. They're building on top of things. I like where it's going so far. There's not been a lot of character development, but we are learning a lot about the characters. I'm sorry I'm using my hands so much. But yeah, we're finding out a lot. The story's progressing, and we see the faults Kamala has, But they're not faults that make her unlikable. She's still likable despite her faults, so and that's good. You know, we want flawed characters, but we don't want them too flawed to lose a lot of the audience. That's fine with me, but a lot of audiences, you know, you need to give them a lot to keep them on board with the characters, even though you should know their flaws. There's some people who don't get that, because the character is inherently supposed to be dislikable but likable. But not Kamala, because she's like a teenage girl. You do not want her to be unlikable. And it's also your first Muslim superhero that you're showing, broadcasting to the world. You're not you don't want to show her in too bad of a light, you know. You want to show her some bad light on her, because you know she is inexperienced and she's learning how to do this. But you also want to show, you know, how thoughtful she is. She loves her friends, loves her family. She's a cool person. She's artistic, you know. She's creative. She's all this. She really loves and all that, you know. She's just like a cool person. She's kind of nerdy, kind of weird, but you know, lovable, you know. Yeah, but she's also got some thoughts that she doesn't want to speak, let things out to people who need to know it. Kind of rebellious a little bit, but you know, that's fine. This and that. Yeah. There's probably more for it, but I'm not gonna do than that. But yeah, so yeah, I think we have said enough. Those are my thoughts for now. If I have anything else, you know, it'll come out later during the other reviews and all that reactions. Yeah, so that's it for now. See you. Goodbye.